So different type of pages in SQL Server. So databases contains data row within all the data type except the text and text image and varchar max var binary max and XML data when text is row set on. Okay. Index page, that is index page, contains index entries, text or image. So it include data large objects such as text and text image, varchar max var binary and XML data. Jam, that is global allocation map, contains information related to extent allocation. So gam is bit information, bit for every extent. Okay. SJAM is shared global allocation. The page records which extent are currently being used as mixed extent. Extent also have at least the unused space. It is whole information of 64,000 extent. Okay. Page free space, it contains information about page allocation and free space available in the pages. Index page allocation map is index allocation map is it contains information about extent used by table and index per allocation unit. Okay. Bulk change map is BCM. It contains information about extent modified by bulk operations since last log backup statement. DCM, that is differential change management, it contains information about the extent that have been changed since the last backup database statement. So these are the details about the pages in the SQL Server which help you. So if the question comes is how can you say that the last backup happens? So that DCM page will help you to find out all these details. Or the bulk of insert operation, BCM page is helping. So you have to just know about all the details. We can say that about the DCM and BCM. Okay. So thank you for watching.